A new era of aviation is already taking shape. Across Europe, drones are transforming industries, from agriculture to public services and beyond.
Innovative air mobility is a highly dynamic environment where a lot of data is being generated day by day, and a lot of data needs to be collected and analyzed in order to develop and prove good regulations. And that's where we called the Politecnico of Milano to tell us where do we stand today in Europe on the drone market and innovative air mobility. And the first question that we want to ask to the colleagues of Politecnico di Milano is where do we stand today compared to 5 years ago in Europe?
So the interest for this market grew a lot after the pandemic, so in particular in the social applications such as the delivery of medical goods and what concern the emergency operations.
We expect a consolidation of the aerial operations segments. Regarding the delivery of goods, we expect a transition from experimentations to operative services. What about innovative air mobility? Well, we will see it more in the long term.
We also want to understand where the market is going to be over the next 5 years and how we can improve the regulations based on real data. Where are the real challenges for the development of innovative air mobility market and drones in Europe?
Yeah, for sure, the complexity of the regulation, then the need to harmonize the implementation of the European regulation in different countries, and then the coordination among different actors. Something else?
Yeah, limited resources within the public entities, the lack of integrated infrastructure, and social acceptance and public concerns.
A moment to reflect, exchange perspectives, and look ahead at one of the most dynamic sectors in aviation.